All right, guys, let's go. It's hard to find a diamond in a rough here. I'm not gonna lie. Vicky, looking at INTC, seeing if this one can go higher. I'm not seeing that. As a matter of fact, I mean, we do have a little bit of support that should be here on the point of control, but if we break this, Vicky, in INTC, I have a downside target of 24.60. We did have a nice earnings pop, but we already covered that gap higher. So not looking too good for INTC. Douglas Carmona in GIS. All right, General Mills, GIS. I like that we did have a volume profile shift higher. This one could go higher in the longer term. However, I do see that we just got absorbed into the volume profile. We also missed the 13% Fibonacci, which is usually a fake out level. I see a downside target in GIS around 77.66. 73.31. We did not hold that support here that it was supposed to be. Also, a lot of you guys are talking about coin. This one broke its support in the point of control. Coin's downside target 53.69. I did find one diamond in the rough though, and this is one that I've been talking about on Pump Up the Close. It was actually a request, or not request, Sybil was also looking at ELF. This one I have been bullish on for a while, and there you have it. I think Garrett can attest. I was trying to not brag, but show off that I know the lipstick effect in the economy in a recession. I can't splurge on anything, but we'll buy some cheap lipstick. And there you go. And ELF knocked it out of the park with earnings. This one was just lining up to have a power earnings gap and go. So let's bring on Garrett. Garrett, INTC, General Mills, Coin, ELF, anything looking good? And I like how we're matching in pink today. How cute are we?
This is red, or I thought it was red. I can't tell. I don't know what's happening.
Nantucket red, we'll call it.
Nantucket red. Look, I think that if this market goes sideways, and as I think that it can in the next couple of days, if we really start to see today a sell off a little bit, this has been the worst day of the year for the markets, and then tomorrow you got that jobs report. If that job report is bad, then who knows how bad this gets. I'm willing to speculate down at the $50 level on coin. I mean, I just think it's that bad, and it could easily retest some of these places. So it's one of those things where, like, buying the 55 and selling the 50, or buying the 50 and selling the 45, or just straight up buying the 40 and just trying to take advantage of rising volatility. I just think this is moving lower. I wouldn't be surprised to see it with not just the U.S. Fed raising rates, also the UK raising by 75. That's their largest rate hike in a couple of decades as well. So again, rising rates around the world, that's going to impact cryptocurrency. That's going to impact Coinbase. It's going to impact Bitcoin. Looks like we're going to have another leg down, play toward the $50 level for Coinbase. That's the low of I believe July. Go for it.
Wow. Yeah, this one was probably the most bearish of all the charts that you guys brought to me today.